All right, special thanks to this company who sent us their phone mount for a bicycle. Release your hands, safe driving. You can see handlebar motorcycle mount kit. The back has a full installation guide of exactly how you put this on your bike with all the parts here, of course, needed in this box. Some demonstration, nothing on the bottom, nothing on the top. So let's open it up, see what we have. There we go. Okay, that's it for the box. So first off, here is the actual, oh wow, very nice. Okay, you've got a Allen wrench here as well as some extensions for this. That way if this will not fit your bike, it'll fit a different one with this bracket on it. And then this looks pretty straightforward. Looks like you're able to take this and stick this to your phone. They even give you this to kind of protect your phone in a way. And then once this is mounted on the back of your phone, you'd literally be able to get on your bike and just throw it there and you're ready to go, and press this button back here to release it. It's nice that it clips in here because that means it won't just fall off being stuck to your phone. It might be good to have an extra phone case just for this for when you go riding. That'd be the easiest solution. But got a logo there and really not much else to it, just the buttons to press and release these. That will do it for this handlebar bicycle mount kit for cell phones. Thanks again to this company for sending this my way, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.